How to join TikTok Creativity Program Beta. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can join TikTok's Creativity Program Beta in the easiest way possible. So to do this, basically, you're going to come over to tiktok.com/creators, and over there, you're going to see the Creativity Program Beta. Now, Creativity Program Beta is obviously a program that they created, which is a tool. So you're going to be able to collect rewards as you create and publish longer video content, okay? So it's a good way to have better rewards for TikTok. Now, the eligibility is you have to be in the United States. Any external United States account will not work. At least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, and have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join it is you're going to open up your TikTok menu button and then go into your settings, and obviously from there into the creator tools and then creator fund. And then when you click on switch, it's going to switch you to the creativity program beta, but you cannot switch back to creator fund. Okay, you're going to stay in creativity program beta, so keep idea of that. So yeah, basically once you have done that, you can also scan this QR code off of their website to get into this. So just maximize your attention, expand your growth by the creativity program. You can earn up to 20 times more that you got on creator fund. Obviously, you can film up to 10 minutes of content, upload videos up to 30 minutes long, easily edit them in the TikTok app, etc. And it's pretty incredible. Now, obviously, the rewards are calculated over 1,000 qualified views. So yeah, that's how you're going to join the TikTok creativity program, TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly generate TikTok ads for yourself using Shopify dropshipping in the easiest and most simplest ways possible. So basically, when it comes to working with TikTok ads, let me show you how we're going to get into the nitty-gritty details and in-depth features of this. So to start things off, what we are going to be doing is we're going to go into ad apps. Once we go into ad apps, we're going to come to Shopify App Store. And while we do that, you're also going to want to come here and write TikTok for ads. And you're going to get TikTok for business. So you're going to go ahead and sign up with TikTok business as well. Now, I already have an account, so I'm not going to show you the whole sign up procedure, but you're going to sign up with the TikTok for business account. And once you do that, you're going to come to your Shopify store and you're going to write TikTok. And once you write TikTok, you're going to basically download TikTok over here. So basically what's going to happen is once you've created your TikTok for business account, you're going to generate your ads in your TikTok for business, and then you're going to connect your TikTok for business account with your Shopify over here, and then start importing your ads into your Shopify. And that is how you are going to go ahead and do TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping. How to make money on TikTok. So if you want to go ahead and make money on TikTok, and you can make it through current TikTok's Creator Fund, because TikTok's Creator Fund is the current way that is the proper and legal way, if that makes sense, to make money for ourselves, right? Now, if you want to go ahead and make money in a more bulked way, then I would suggest you get into Creativity Program Beta. It's a new beta that TikTok has introduced, and the eligibility is only you need to be a US based account, at least 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100K views in the last 30 days. Now, the way to join is just go to your settings, go to Creator Tools. You're going to click on Creator Fund, and then you can switch at the bottom of the page to Creativity Program Beta. Now, do know that you can't switch back to the Creator Fund. You will stay in Creativity Program Beta. And what that does is Creativity Program Beta is going to give you so many more rewards than you're supposed to get on your creator fund. It's actually crazy. And trust me, you're going to love this. So that's how you're going to make money on TikTok. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.